I'm Jason.
And I'm Alden, and we're new home consultants with Main Street Homes. We're really excited to announce the grand opening of our brand new Songbird community. It's located just minutes off 288 in Manakin-Sabot, Virginia.
Songbird is our next highly anticipated neighborhood by Main Street Homes. It's really a best of both worlds community. You get the quiet living of Eastern Goochland, walking trails, ponds, open green spaces, all while maintaining the convenience of Short Pump and all it has to offer.
"65 properties, the home sites are ranging from 0.4 up to 1.1 acres. A large variety of homes are going to be available to you. First and second floor primary suites, sizes ranging from just over 2,000 square feet all the way up to 5,000 plus.
For additional information, come see us at our award-winning Lancaster model home located in Tuckahoe Bridge at 2114 Tuckahoe Bridge Drive, or reach out to our online sales consultants at gomsh.com.
We look forward to meeting you.